Organising with kids can seem chaotic, but don't worry, I'm here to give you some great practical tips to organise with your kids. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on practical tips to organise your life. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years, and I'm here today to help you organise with your kids. Organising with young kids. Keeping up with your kids' clothes and toys helps your house remain tidy. Here are a few tips I've used with my kids. They need support. My philosophy when it comes to organising with young kids is help, but don't do. Organising alongside your children instead of doing it for them helps them develop healthy habits. Give them the support they need, but don't do everything for them. Kids often enjoy helping, and it's a great thing to encourage in them. They grow so fast. Children are always changing physically and mentally. They'll outgrow their clothes and change the types of toys they play with rapidly. Go through items with them on a regular basis and decide what's no longer useful or fun. You can always donate clothing and toys that are in good condition to help another family. If you're planning to have more children, or have one on the way, keep smaller clothing to avoid purchasing things you don't need. Store clothing in bins labelled with sizes and keep all the same size clothes together. When you need them, you'll know right where they are and be able to access them with ease. The kitchen. Consider keeping your kids' plates, bowls and spoons in a low cabinet so they can reach and open. Do the same thing with food, keeping healthy snacks that they can grab for themselves in a place low enough for them to reach. Foods that are for mum and dad or are limited to once or twice a week could go up high and out of reach. Keeping healthy foods in a place kids can reach lets young children help themselves and saves you a trip to the kitchen when they want a quick snack. It takes time. I set aside time to purge items with my kids every 6 months or so, from the time my eldest was 3 to about 6. It was slow going at first. They'd get rid of a couple of bags of old toys at a time, max. Then one day while we were purging, they asked if they could go and do it on their own. They got rid of about a dozen bags of toys. It had clicked! Taking the time and doing several purges with them let them internalise the process. Have patience. Organising is a learned skill. It's never too late to learn, nor too early to learn. Have a plan, patience and persistence, and you will see results over the years. Organising is not one and done. It's a lifelong process. Enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Organise to Excel. Practical solutions for everyday issues. Like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website www.organisetoexcel.com.